Hello, art enthusiasts, and welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where we're about to dive into some festive goofiness. Today, we're drawing a peeking reindeer that's sure to bring a smile to your face. So grab your art supplies, and let's get started on this jolly adventure. We're kicking things off by creating a whimsical Christmas tree. Make it nice and pointy with many layers. It's the start of our Christmas Eve magic. But that's not all. Let's add some sparkly crystals to make it as festive as a holiday party. Now here comes the star of the show, our beloved reindeer. Start by sketching a small head and follow it up with a big, round face. And of course, give it those iconic antlers that make it look like it's ready to fly Santa's sleigh. Our reindeer is already taking shape. Let's give our reindeer a cute expression. Picture this: big round eyes with eyeballs squished together. A big friendly nose and a heartwarming smile. And since it's a bit chilly outside, don't forget to wrap our reindeer in a cozy scarf. Our reindeer wants to say hello to all the good folks out there. So let's give it a friendly left hand waving to spread the holiday cheer. Now the fun part, adding color to our drawing. The gigantic Christmas tree is wearing a lovely shade of green. And we're adding some highlights with a darker green to make it pop. The antlers get a warm brown hue. And the face gets a peachy shade of brown. And for the stylish scarf, we're going with a beautiful fall color combination of red and green. But that's not all. Let's make our tree extra special by decorating it with ornaments. You can use any colors you like, but I'm choosing a vibrant combination of yellow and blue. And there you have it. Our peaking reindeer and the festive Christmas tree are ready to add a dash of holiday cheer to your day. If you had as much fun as we did creating this whimsical artwork, don't forget to show your support by giving us a hearty thumbs up, and consider subscribing to Easy Peasy Art for more fun and quirky art adventures. Thanks for joining us on this goofy and jolly journey, and we can't wait to see you in our next artistic escapade.